First, remove the handheld piece from the packing box. Then, take out the scanning heads from the box, remove the protective cover, and securely attach them to the front end of the handheld piece. Connect the hub connection box to a USB 3.0 port on your computer using the high-speed USB connection cable. Next, connect the power adapter to the power port on the hub connection box. Finally, plug the power adapter into a power outlet, and your intraoral digital scanner assembly is complete. Open your web browser and enter the website address. Click on the Software Center and download the intraoral scanner software and UP3D software. Double-click to open the UP3D installation package. After selecting your language, click OK. Choose the installation path and click Install. Then click Finish. Double-click to open the intraoral scanner installation package. After selecting your language, click OK or Confirm. Click Next. Choose the installation path and click Next. Install. And click Finish. After completing the installation of all the software as per the on-screen instructions, launch the scanner software via UP3D. Log into your account through the UP3D software. Log in with your password. Enter your username and password to access the software's main interface. To ensure the quality of scanning data, we recommend calibrating every 1 to 2 weeks. Here is the specific calibration procedure. Double-click to open the UP3D software. Enter your account and password to log in. The software will automatically enter the oral scanning interface. Click on the Calibration button in the upper left corner to enter the calibration process. Choose the Auto Calibration mode. As per the software instructions, prepare the intraoral scanner and the calibration cylinder. Plug one end of the Type-C cable into the calibration cylinder and the other end into a USB port on your computer to supply power. Detach the intraoral scanner head. Align the concave part at the front end of the intraoral scanner handle with the protrusion on the calibration cylinder and place it inside. After preparing the intraoral scanner and the calibration cylinder, click on the Next button in the software and then, in the pop-up window, click on Calibrate to initiate the calibration process. After calibration is complete, you can close the calibration interface. Click on New Order in the software's main interface to enter the scene. Fill in the patient's information. Select the tooth position, type of restoration, material, and color code, among other details. Click Save and Scan and choose Intraoral Scanner from the options. Click OK to start the intraoral scanning process. The buttons on the intraoral scanner's body can control the start and pause of the scanning process. Single-click the button on the intraoral scanner's body and start scanning from the buccal side towards the lingual side, beginning at the distal teeth. When scanning the anterior teeth, flip the scanner from the lingual side to the buccal side to capture data from the incisal or cutting edge positions. After scanning the incisal or cutting edge of the anterior teeth, continue scanning the buccal and lingual surfaces of the other side of the teeth. Once you've completed the scan of the entire dental arch, start by scanning the buccal and lingual sides of the posterior teeth, flipping as needed. Continue this process until the entire dental arch is fully scanned. To pause the scan, single-click the button again. After pausing the scan, you can rotate the data to check if the working area has been fully scanned and to ensure accuracy. If you need to perform additional scanning, you can single-click the intraoral scanner button again to initiate the supplementary scan. After confirming that the data is satisfactory, click Apply to initiate data processing. The green area indicates regions with lower data validity. You can choose to continue with additional scanning or click Next to allow the software to automatically fill in the gaps. Click on the lower jaw and repeat the same scanning techniques and operations as described above. Click on the Bite Scan option. For bite scans, you should perform an S-shaped scan between the upper and lower jaws. Repeat this scan on both the left and right sides for a comprehensive bite scan. After completing the bite scan, click on the final step to perform data verification and checks. You can disable the True Color mode in this tool to facilitate data inspection. The three middle ones are Rectangular Selection Tool, Lasso Selection Tool and Brush Selection Tool. Once you've chosen a selection tool that suits your preference, use it to crop any excess data. If you activate the Select Visible Area tool, it allows you to select only the data that is currently visible in the view, without selecting data that is behind it. This tool is for filling in gaps manually, allowing you to patch any areas that require additional data. This tool is for checking undercuts. To use it, rotate the model so that the buccal side is facing you, using the current view as the reference for tooth alignment. Clicking this button will highlight areas on the teeth with color, indicating the presence of undercuts. If significant undercuts are present in the working die, it's advisable to promptly alert the dentist to repair the tooth. Once the data has been inspected, you can click the Export button to proceed. Double-clicking on a completed order allows you to preview the intraoral scan data online. Click this button to download the scan data and save it locally. Before performing cleaning and sterilization procedures, it's essential to wear surgical gloves. Remove the scanning head. Cover the handheld piece with a protective cap to prevent damage to the optical lens of the intraoral scanner and keep dust out. Rinse the intraoral scanner head under running water. Soak the intraoral scanner head in 75% alcohol solution for 20 minutes for surface disinfection. Rinse and brush the scanner head thoroughly again to ensure it's clean. Wipe the scanner lens clean with a lint-free cloth, then use compressed air to blow away surface moisture, or allow it to air dry naturally. Fold a clean, lint-free gauze into an appropriate size to fit into the intraoral scanner head window, then insert it. Place the scanner head into a sterile pouch and seal it. Put the sealed scanner head into a high-pressure steam sterilizer for sterilization at a high temperature of 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Wipe down the handheld piece and base with a medical alcohol-soaked gauze cloth containing 75% alcohol for disinfection. After wiping, place the handheld piece on the base, keeping it away from the edge of the table to prevent it from falling. During thunderstorms or when the equipment will not be used for an extended period, please unplug the device's power supply. Avoid storing the intraoral digital scanner and its accessories in extreme temperatures or direct sunlight. Before storing the scanner, make sure the scanner head, handheld piece, and base are completely dry.